Alright, so you're going to want to open up an oyster to get the good little meat inside. So we got some Giga Cups here from Washington State. I prefer Montauk Pearls, but it's the middle of a pandemic, so this is all we got. Basically, you're going to want to just stab the outer shell of the oyster with a downward stabbing motion in order to crack the top shell open. Not too much, but enough to shatter just the top part of the shell. And then you always make sure you wipe your knife off. And then when you slurp the oyster, you basically just kind of chew through the shells to get into the lovely briny belly. So thanks for joining us today on Cooking with Yahnish. Also, fuck Mignonette.